Assalamu alaikum. This is Rabia Kamran in YouTube channel Chalo Parho with Rabia. I am here in front of you with short tricks for a square. If you are going to find out a square of big numbers, you will be finding out your squares in 2 seconds. How could it be possible? The numbers around 50. So, how will we do that? If we are going to find out the square of 55, what will we do here? Actually, here we will take our reference point 25. It is 5 more than 50. So, we will add 5 in 25. That would be 30 and 5 5s are 25. This is your answer. Now, I am taking 52 square. This is 2 more than 50. So, I will add 2 in 25. 25 would be our reference point. In the previous examples, when we were taking 100, there were our reference point was 100. But here our reference point is 25. 25 plus 2, that would be 27, and 2 2s are 4. We will take 0 4. Now I am taking 54. This is 4 greater than 50. So what will we do? Our reference point 25, 25 plus 4, this is 29, and 4 is 16. This is your answer. Now I am taking 57 square. 57 is 7 greater than 50. So what will we do? We will add 7 and 25. What it would be? 32, and 7 7s are 49. After 57 square, we are going to find out 51 square. What it would be? 51 square. Here, this is 1 more than 50. So what will we do? We will add 1 in 25. That would be 26, because 25 is our reference point, and 0, this is 1 1s are 1. Now we are taking 53. This is 53 square. How will we take? This is 3 more than 50. So we will add 3 in 25. That would be 28, and 0 9. 3 3s are 9. Now I am taking, this is 58 square, and that would be 8 greater than 50. So we will add 8 in 25. That will be 33, and 8 8s are 64. Now I am taking 59. How will we solve that? 59 square would be 9 in 25. What it would be? That would be 34, and 9 9s are 81. Now we have done short trick when the numbers are more than 50 and less than 60. Now we are going towards when the numbers are more than 40 but less than 50. First of all, I am taking 47. This is how much less than 50? 3 less than 50. So our reference point is 25, and we will subtract 3 from 25. That would be 22, and 0, that would be, because this is 3 less than 50, so we will take the square of 3, which is 0 9. 3 3s are 9. Now this is 48. I am taking 48 square is equal to, I am drawing a line here first, and this is 48 square. This is 2 less than 50. So we will subtract 2 from 25, because 25 is our reference point. That would be 23, and 2 square would be 0 4, because it is 2 less than 50. So we will take 2 square, which is 4. Now I am taking 49 square, and this is 1 less than 50. So we will subtract 1 from 25. That would be 24, and the square of 1 would be 1. That would be 24 over 1. Now I am taking 44 square, and how will we solve that? This is 6 less than 50. So we will subtract 6 from 25. That would be 19, and 6 6 are 36. This is your answer. Now I am taking, this is 42 square. 42 square will be, you will take first how much it is less than 50. This is 8 less than 50. We will subtract 8 from 25. That would be 17, and 8 8s are 64. 4. Well done. This is your answer. Now, this is 45. I am taking out the square of 45. This is 5 less than 50. So, we will subtract 5 from 25. That will be 20. And 5, because it is 5 less than 50. So, we will take the square of 5. That will be 25. This is your answer. Now we are going towards 43 square, and this is 7 less than 50. So we will subtract 7 from 25. That would be 18. And 18 and 7, because it is 7 less than 50, we will take the square of 7 would be 49. This is your answer. Now we are going towards 41. We will take 41 square. We are going to find out. So here we will subtract 9 from 25. That will be 16. And a 9 and the square of 9 will be 9 9s are 81. This is here. Now we are done with the numbers around 50, the numbers which are greater than 50, and the numbers which are less than 50. Thank you.